If your blade is a little mucky looking and you're getting a little bit of smoke while cutting material, it may not necessarily be a dull blade. It may be just time to clean. More right after this. I'm Rick, and this shut the heck up, you stinking roosters. Nailed it for your sanity! This is The Shack. Hello and welcome back to The Shack. In this video I'm just going to go over cleaning your blade real quick. If it's looking a little mucked up, this one has definitely got some ridges on here. I don't know what the heck is on here. Some sappy material or something I went through cutting, and I noticed yesterday when I was cutting some stuff it started smoking on me. And I really didn't look at it until I lifted this up and like, holy cow. Yeah, this thing's time to clean. So I got some stuff I haven't used. I want to try it for the first time. So let me get this blade off. Since it's a beautiful day, we'll do it outside. Normally, if you have a 10-inch blade, this is 12-inch. If you have a 10-inch blade, it'll actually sit in the lid of a 5-gallon bucket. Put it in there. I would normally just use like paint thinner or something. Soak it in a little bit, scrub it off, get it all clean, and put it back on table saw. But this time I'm going to use something a little bit different. So we're going to go over there, we're going to clean it, see how well it works, see if we can bring a little life back to this to this blade. All right, let me get this off here. Let's get over to the table. So what I have is just a bristle brush, not brass or anything, so it's not going to hurt this when we scrub on it. Especially, it won't hurt the carbide tips, which are really dirty too. But what I'm going to use is some tool cleaner. I've heard things about this, just never use it, so I'm going to give it a shot this time. We'll just see how it works. And it's supposed to be good for lubrication too, so it should help the performance a little bit. So it says just spray on, wipe clean, but because it's got some gunk on there, it's just off, turn it on. Here we go. Let's flip over here. There, spray. We're going to spray it on. Going to let it set for a couple of minutes. And I'm going to use this to help accelerate the dissolving of all the gunk on there, and I'm going to make sure I clean all my carbide tips. While that's sitting there, let me go get some paper towels. I'll edit this part out. Scrub that a little bit because that stuff's pretty thick on there. I'm going to scrub all the blade tips. I can see them already coming off clean. You can see it's actually kind of dirty suds. Yeah, I can tell that the carbide tips are much cleaner. Look at that stuff, man. Look at that. It's like caked on there, man. It's hard to get off. I don't know if that's sap or what the heck that stuff is, man. I think I should go get my plastic scrapers and try to get this stuff off of here, man. I know that's going to help tremendously getting all this junk off. So before I do that, let's just go ahead and wipe it off. Definitely much cleaner. I mean, wow. The carbide shine. But let me go get a scraper, because look at this stuff. This has got to come off there. This is not good for the blade. I don't know what the heck this is on there. Okay, I brought two, just in case. Yeah, that's good. The plastic scraper should work. Wow, what is this stuff on here, man? Got to be like a real sappy wood I was cutting, and I don't know what that one was. Last thing I made was outdoor furniture. I don't know if I can get it better with this. There. Yeah, this is a little bit sturdier. It's getting it off much better. Wow. Look at all that. Now I'm making very sure that I don't hit my carbide tip blades. Ooh. Holy crap. I'm missing a carbide tip right there. Look at that. I got a carbide tip missing. Damn. What the heck? I think I'm gonna have to get me another blade. There. Wow. Look at that. All right, let's give it one more clean. Looking good though. Wow, let this sit on it for about 30 seconds. Get a fresh one here. And when I'm wiping off, I'm going with the blades. I can't believe that's missing. And that way, you're tearing it out makes it much easier. So go with the point of your carbide tips and the direction of them. Oh yeah, this is sweet now. Look at that, nice. All right, this side ain't too bad. I'm gonna scrape it first. Now this time I gotta go this way. But I wanna bring it up and see that the carbide tips are not shiny and it's little, almost rusty dull looking all along the carbides. Now, spray this. Let that set for a little bit. Just the teeth. I want to make sure these things are nice and clean, so I'm going to just brush them a little bit. Again, going in the direction the blades, the tips are facing. Just make sure I get all the gunk or whatever residual stuff around the carbide tip itself. Looks good, man. Looks real good. Look how shiny they are now. That's fantastic. Right. Clean this side off again. Dang, almost looks like a new blade. What the, I don't know what that stuff was on there, man. Crazy. All right, let's go install it. That's all there is to it. This is nice and clean now. Wow. It should cut like a champ again. That is nice. I mean, technically I shouldn't even use it because I'm missing that one carbide tip. So I'm gonna have to look into buying another blade, and I can send this in to Ridge Carbide tool, and they'll actually replace that carbide tip and sharpen everything for me. So let me get this back up in here. Cool. All right, let's get some power to her. Let me shut the door down. I don't want to blow sawdust all in my shop. And we'll cut that real quick. I can't believe it. I put the blade on backwards. I thought I had it the right... How'd I get it flipped? Oh crap. I gotta flip that around. Now we got it on right. I don't know how I did that. I looked right at it and I thought I had it on right. All right, let's see what she does. Ooh-wee. Smooth as butter. Yeah, cleaner, and she works 100 times better. Except I'm missing that one carbide tip somewhere. Definitely cuts much better. Has no smoke now, it just cuts right through like butter, like it should, even though it's missing a tooth. So if your blade smokes a little while running material through it, could be a good indication it's time to clean it. And I try to clean mine every couple weeks anyway, especially depending on the species of lumber I'm cutting. I know for a fact, Purple Heart Padauk, I will always clean it when I'm done cutting, especially Padauk really dirties up my blades. So grab you some of the tool cleaner from Trend. Stuff works really well. I'm surprised. It looked like it's brand new, and I have no idea what that stuff was on there. Something just gunked up on there and really messed it up. So we are done with this video. Thank you so much for watching. Take back Shack and build it for your sanity. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified when these videos come out. Don't have to watch them all, but there might be one out here and there that may interest you. Thanks again for watching. We will see you next video.